So Paul Pierce is going viral. Let's see what he's talking about, man, about these women over 30. Let's see if we agree with him.
I'm just tired of these females who cooked after 30. I'm gonna say it like that. Cooked.
Okay, so you're personally attacking me, so I would like to
How am
know
I attacking
because
you?
I'm after 30, so I'm cooked.
Yeah. 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 Listen.
I'm
Yes, dog.
crying.
Listen, dog. Guys is over here like, yo, prime is 25 to 30. Let's keep it 100.
But let me say this. I hear exactly what you're saying, right? I've heard it before. People have said it. Women age like milk, men age like fine wine. I've heard it 1,000 times, right? For me personally, I'm going to say this. Me, maybe I am cooked, but you know what? I'm cooked and it tastes delicious because I was not given what I needed to give when I was in my 20s. I didn't know my body. I didn't know what I wanted. I didn't know what I liked. I didn't know how to fuck. I didn't know how to suck. I didn't know how to throw it back. Now I could do all of those things plus more. I
Ooh.
understand who.
Uh, here we go. We already starting out goofy, bro. But I'll say this, man. If any of you guys are on date naps for any period of time, you're gonna notice that most of the people on date naps are between the ages of 28 and like 33. Um, they've lost all hope of catching it in the real life, I guess. And this is their last Hail Mary to, go on date naps, right? And it's crazy how many single women are in their 30s and they're just trying to hit a buzzer beater. Like it is insane. Like these women have truly fumbled their lives, and she's an example of it, and she knows it. And she's trying to give away some plausible deniability, and it's crazy to me because what she's explaining right now is, women say that we objectify women, but she just literally she's objectifying herself, right? Like let's go back. She's objectifying herself currently because she thinks all men want is like some sexual thing, when in reality we just want you to cooperate, look good, be in shape, and just cook and help and be helpful, supportive.
Know my body. I didn't know what I wanted. I didn't know what I liked. I didn't know how to fuck. I didn't know how to suck. I didn't know how to throw it back. Now I could do all of those things plus more. I
Ooh.
understand who I am as a woman. My emotional maturity is here. And at the end of the day, I know that it feels like there's women who are jaded because they've been with so many men and now they're cooked. I understand that perspective. But personally, for me, I feel so into my bag as a 30-year-old because
And then after 34, 35, man, think about this. When I cook some food, all right, it's cooked, right? Now I ate some, then it's leftovers. Then I put it in the refrigerator. After so many days, you got to throw it out. You know what I'm saying?
this is
Like, how
crazy.
long do Thanksgiving food last after Thanksgiving? How many days we giving it? 3? Then you throw it out. So
Yeah, man. Like women refuse to accept these harsh realities, but it is what it is, man. Like we know, if you guys watching this video right now, we know that women, the stuff ain't gonna change, bro. Women gonna keep doing and doubling down on stupid. They're not gonna settle. They're just gonna continue doing what they're doing. And I'm not here to save them. I'm not here to say they shouldn't. But whenever these statistics say, single and lonely by 30, 2030, 50% of women, over 50% of women, this is what we're talking about here. And people, women cause a lot of problems really to themselves with these kind of mindset.
that means if you cooked at 30, 35, we got to throw it out. I'm just
I
saying.
think
But
that
listen,
that's crazy.
I will say this.
Mm-hmm.
This is for the man who's looking for a relationship. This is for a man who's looking for kids. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like cooked food, personally. I don't got time to season nothing. Like, give it to me already prepared. That's where I'm at. You know what I mean?
I just
I'm
feel like
good. I'm good
you
with cooked food.
Basically, what he's saying is, if you attractive at 30, you know, I'll hit you and quit you, or we can be friends with benefits. Or, you know, I already have kids, already have whatever what my life already figured out. I'm not trying to start over. Let's go ahead and get a 30-year-old that looks decent. So
I feel like, you know what?
Don't feel that way. Hey, listen.
No,
You got a market.
no, this is, I'm gonna keep it so real with you right
You
now
got
when
a
I say
market.
this. I have no lack of people who want me. Like, it's not given that. So I don't
But
feel.
what do you mean want you?
It's not just
Wanna
sexually.
do something
No,
with
it's
you?
not just sexually. I don't care what no one says. It's not just
Wanna
sexually.
be with you?
Yes, people love me, adore me, my vibe, my energy. I
Every
glow.
dude want to be with a girl when they see him.
No, no,
but
no, no,
then
no,
when
no,
they-
no, 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 no.
like, bro, what is going on with this chick, bro? Like, she contradicting herself. How you gonna get triggered when he says you're 30 and cooked, but you say you have options? Most of those are just sexual options. But if you got options, why is it so hard for you to get into a relationship? Because she don't want a relationship. She want to be out in these streets. And so this is the kind of, you know, women will sit up here on these panels and all this stuff, but they really like their freedom, guys. They don't want relationships. They don't really want this kind of stuff. It is what it is. This is the decline of social dynamics and families and community in the West. There's no fixing this.
No, you can have that argument you want. I know I'm a hot commodity. Fight me if you want to.
Why you single then?
Because you don't know that I'm single. I'm actually not available. Thank you very much.
Word? That's
What the hell? She sound like she lying like a mug.
was recent because in
I told you
season
this the
one,
last
in
episode
season
we
one,
did.
you was acting funny.
I might have been acting funny, but yeah, I'm not available. And guess what? I have, at the end of the day, me personally, I don't feel like I've never operated from a place of desperation. That's never been my story. That's never been my life.
He think you cooked?
Yeah.
What the hell, man? She don't even believe what the hell she's saying. She got all up on this podcast. You trying to defend you ladies on the freaking you delusional women. She just delusional, bro. I don't believe that. The way she talk, even if she is talking to a dude right now, I don't believe her. I think if another dude came in there that was better looking or had more money or more status, he'd be out the game. She didn't sound too convincing.
I'm crying. Oh my God.
That's funny. I think you cooked. Yeah.
I'm cooked. And I will say I am. I'm like more tired. I'm chilling. You know what I'm saying? But I'm a cool type of bride.
Right.
I'm cool. Like, someone to be with me, they're lucky. I'm a vibe. I'm cool. I'm chill. I know myself. I know what's up. I know what I bring. I know how to add value.
Yeah.
I've never lacked any of those qualities or traits. And that's why for me, it's like, no, I know someone is lucky to be with me.
You
Who believes this, bro? Nobody believes this woman. She don't even believe what the hell she talking about. She just trying to save face. But that's as far as we're gonna get into this video. I don't want to get too far into it. That was pretty entertaining and wild and delusional all in the same video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, comment your thoughts below, and like the video. It's free of charge. I appreciate you guys. You guys have see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.